If you want to get the curly hair, maintain the curly hair like this, I will teach you all in this video. Alright, as you can see for the top of the video, what I'll be doing for today's video, I'll be doing a transformation, how to get the curly looks on your dreads, the formation, not saying how to get the curly dreads. This is how indeed my hair look like. I'm gonna show you a quick POV. Not saying got over haircut with it for no fresh haircut. You know what I'm saying? This how it really looks. You got half of it in still, half of it out. I really like this style. Don't ask me why. This is my style. So don't copy my style now. Well, anyways, but yeah, I like this style for some reason. It just shows the dreads and then, you know, something that's like still needs to get taken out and the curly parts. But yeah, they did fine though. It's cool. I'm probably not the first one to create it anyways, but no, I really like this style. It's different. Some people, I had some homegirls that told me to actually keep it in. It looks good like this. I don't know how, but this is my second time having this style in. I'm saying you can see the curly hair trims, how it looks. If you want to get the curly hair, maintain the curly hair like this, I will teach you all in this video. This video at least 10 likes. What you really want to do is how to get the curly hair process. Once you have the 2-strand in your hair, but so if you really want to get the curly dreads, you know, the transformation, I guess it's called a Pretty Boy Fred Hill, you know, dreads, or you can call it the Jerry Judy dreads. You know what I'm saying? Or you can call it whatever you want to call it. But you know what I'm saying? It's a style. It's a style when people have dreads and they take it out. You know what I'm saying? And it looks curly. I don't know, it looks fire like this. I really like my dreads like this after the 2-strand twist. You know what I'm saying? I left it in for a good couple minutes, but if you want to know how to get the curly hair transformation dreads, just stay tuned to the video, like the video, and I'll teach you all in today's video, man. So what you want to do, you know what I'm saying, once you have the 2-strand, obviously you're gonna need dreads or have to have dreads. You have to have some length in your hair. So, you know what I'm saying, you can see how my hair looks. It actually grew a lot. This is my second time actually doing this style, and I actually like it. I can rock it with a hat and I can pull my hair back, but I'm actually gonna take it out now because I indeed got a haircut and I was waiting to get a haircut. But as you can see, some of my 2-strand twists is in. I was waiting until I take it out tomorrow morning, but I'm gonna just end up doing it tonight. I'm gonna take some pictures with it too. Post some pictures. I got some fire fit. Stay tuned to that, you know what I'm saying? Follow the Instagram, social media will be down in the description. But like I said, you know what I'm saying, once you have some of your dreads in 2-strand, all you really want to do is just take it out. That's it really much. I really don't want to take these out, honestly. I don't want to take them out, but you know what I'm saying? I will show you guys just for this video purposes only. I'm gonna take out a couple, not too much, because this is indeed time to take them out of my hair. But I do like this style, but you can see how it looks after when you take it out with the 2-strand twist. It gives it that wavy look, the wavy dready look. Just pick spots on where I want to take out my hair. I've been taking some out lately already, but I have a 2-strand twist and I put rubber bands at the end just to really tighten it. Then if you really tips on for dreads too also, just really maintain it from the beginning, the jump, because if you don't maintain it and actually take care of it, if you don't take care of your dreads throughout your journey, it's not gonna look and indeed turn out right. Like as I'm taking my hair out right now, this is indeed how my formation had looked prior when I used to take my retwists out. So now, every time when I take my hair out, I don't have a problem with it detangling or, you know, the way how the style parted, because I got 2-strand and my hair, my roots is healthy. So you want to maintain it, keep it good. The first parts of you getting your dreads is maintain it, keep it good, and you'll see the curly look. You'll get the curly look like this. I really don't want to take the whole thing out, but this is how indeed your hair will look like after when you take it out. It's supposed to be a little more curly. I really like how it looks with a hat and I'll pull it back, but the style is not gonna stay there for long. So yeah, You just gotta enjoy it while it lasts also too. My phone keep falling. But yeah, you gotta enjoy this style while it lasts. You know what I'm saying? My hair actually got length to it. Let me know down in the comment section if you're watching, you came across this timestamp. What you think I should do? It probably might be taken out, but what do you think my hair looks better, like halfway curly and halfway still with the retwist, or you think I should take it all out? Let me know down there in the comment section. 1 for halfway, you know what I'm saying, halfway, you know what I'm saying, with the dreads, and then the curly way, or 2, does it look better with it all taken out? I'm obviously indeed take it out, but let me know what y'all think down there in the comment section, because I'm really jacking this style, the curly and half of the dreads. People started asking me questions, but I really like this. This is my own style of it. Next recess, I might get my hair dyed. I'll indeed do a video on that and show you guys the steps and the routine on how to actually dye your hair, because there's steps you gotta do to dye your hair. So now people are gonna start calling me Jerry Judy, or they're gonna be calling me this guy, Kai. I've been getting comments, people call me Kai Sinet. I don't know if that's true. I don't think that's true. You know what I'm saying? I look like myself, Kai look like himself. But yeah, man, you can see how the dreads look already. Some of them I still got a 2-strand twist. Honestly, I'm gonna leave the style in. I've been putting a bonnet on in the durag lately with this style, but I'm gonna leave it in just like this, half of it with the curly look and half of it with the dreads. I'm gonna take some pictures with it, post some on my IG. But let me know down there in the comment section what you guys suggest. 1, do you guys suggest it with the curly look and then halfway dreads, or 2, better off with it all taken off? I will indeed have this video probably up, but yeah. You know what I'm saying? You wanna oil it. Don't wash your hair every time. Also 2, that's one thing. If you want it to grow, don't wash your hair a lot. It will grow, you just can't really touch it. Let it do its thing. You know what I'm saying? This is a big one right here. You see how indeed this one just looked like how curly it looks after I take it out. I felt that through my scalp, my roots. But no, that is how you get the curliness look on your dreads. After you take the retwist out, you just want to take out the 2-strand immediately, or you want to take it, you know, couple months or weeks. It almost been like a month in my hair, almost 3 weeks. But now I just took it out, and you can see that curliness look. I would indeed keep it just like this. I really like it like this. I'll put a hat over it. I'm gonna take some pictures and stuff. I'll make some TikToks. But yeah, if you're really digging the style, let me know down there in the comment section what y'all think. I said this is a video is how to get that curly transformation, that insane curly look. Not saying people call it Pretty Fredo look, or the Jerry Judy look, or however you want to call it. But not saying that is how you get the curliness dreads. If you like the dreads journey, the dreads video, give it this video a like. You know what I'm saying? It takes a lot to do these videos. Watch the last video if you didn't watch that, the dreads journey. That one is going crazy. You know what I'm saying? More videos on the way, more consistency, more bangers, more content. The end of the video, man, you know what I'm saying? If you really want to get the curliness dreads, how to get the curly dreads look, you know what I'm saying? Just do the steps I said. Once you have your 2 retwists in, take it out within, you know what I'm saying, as soon as you can, or whenever. But once you take it out, you know what I'm saying, you will have that curly look to it. I left some of mine halfway in, some of them still look curly. That's how I like it. But if you're new and you're tuning into my channel, man, it's your boy Tropical, man, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video, man. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, man. Press the bell. It's free. That's how you won't miss another video. That's how I stay posted and get that notification. And other than that, I'm gonna catch y'all in another video, man. Okay, man. We out.